Welcome to Just SAP It. In the previous tutorial video, we have seen the detailed basic about data types and data objects. This video is all about process data, which contains 13 subcategories. The first category is assigning values with move. In the move statement, or when you assign one value to another with the equal sign, it is not possible to specify the field names dynamically as the contents of other fields. The second category is assigning values with write to. The statement write to prepares the content of a source either using predefined formats or explicit formatting options, as a character string, and assigns the formatted content to the character like data object destination. The third category is resetting the initial value. The clear statement resets a reference variable to its initial value, that is, so that it does not point to an object, and also resets the individual components of a structure to their respective initial values. The fourth category is arithmetic calculation. In arithmetic calculation, we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and calculating remainder value, mod. Apart from basic mathematical operations, new ABAP offers a good number of value-added bonus operations which make faster and elegant. The fifth category is mathematical functions. ABAP provides many built-in math functions, so you can develop advanced mathematic calculation using ABAP math functions. These are 6 listed ABAP math functions. ABS calculates absolute value. Sign determines the sign of the provided values. Seal rounding up the provided values. Floor rounding down the provided values. Trunc return integer part of the argument. Frac return the fractional part of the argument. The sixth category is demonstration of business arithmetic. For calculations in business applications, use packed numbers. The program attribute fixed point arithmetic effects calculations using packed numbers. The seventh category is date and time calculation. ABAP implicitly references the Gregorian calendar, valid across most of the world. We can convert the output to country-specific calendars. A date is a time specified to a precise day, week, or month with respect to a calendar. A time is specified to a precise second or minute with respect to a day. ABAP always saves time in 24-hour format. The output can have a country-specific format. Dates and time are usually interpreted as local dates that are valid in the current time zone. The eighth category is processing string. Strings are the important part in our day-to-day programs. We will not be using the string which we have directly. We will be having scenarios where we need to process the available string, and then display the strings according to our scenarios or requirements which we have. The ninth category is setting and reading bits. In this statement sets the bit at position n of the field F to 1, or to the value of field B. This statement reads the bit at position n of the field F into field B. The 10th category is bit operations. Bit operations are executed in bit expressions of the compute statement. The 11th category is set operations with bit sequences. If you have a set of m elements, you can represent any subset as a sequence of bits. If the nth element of the set is present in a subset, the nth bit is set to 1, otherwise, it is set to 0. The universal set therefore contains no zeros. In ABAP, you can represent a set of m elements using a field with type X and length of at least m/a. To include a member of the universal set in a set, use the setBit statement. To check which members of the universal set are included in a particular set, use the getBit statement. The 12th category is conversion rules for structure. ABAP has one rule for converting structures that do not contain internal tables as components. There are no conversion rules for structures that contain internal tables. You can only make assignments between structures that are compatible. And the last category is processing partial fields. Within the processing block, the system field SYTOBICS contains the index of the current. You can further restrict the group level fields to partial fields. Thank you for watching this tutorial video.